Welcome to the fifth segment of PPP loan fraud. As discussed in my previous videos, a person charged with PPP loan fraud may face serious criminal and civil penalties. After putting out 4 video segments on this topic, I've realized that there are a lot of interests and questions surrounding the topic of PPP loan fraud. I have literally received hundreds of inquiries and questions about PPP loan fraud. As such, today I'd like to dedicate this segment to answering a few of the questions that I've received from my viewers. Question number 1. Does the amount of the loan fraud make a difference when it comes to sentencing? In other words, does the amount of money a person steals from the government affect the prospective punishment or the prison sentence? The short answer is maybe. Why, you ask? Well, each case has unique circumstances. No one case is the same. That's why the sentencing guidelines vary. In theory, one can be punished up to 30 years maximum sentence in prison and or a fine of up to $1 million. However, I will say this, there is a difference between intentional conduct and plain negligence. That's where sentencing guidelines will play an important role. It also helps if you don't have prior criminal convictions and or convictions related to fraud in general. Question number 2. Someone else signed my PPP loan application. I didn't sign it. Should I be worried? Well, when the application is submitted electronically, there is a declaration under penalty of perjury that the information provided is accurate, and the loan is made by someone who has a business interest. So, if you are saying you didn't sign the application, you're basically saying someone else stole your identity and applied for a loan using your confidential information. You can rest assured an extensive investigation will be made in order to confirm your story. If you are a victim of identity theft, you should also report it right away. Of course, the person committing fraud will also be facing identity theft charges, perjury, etc. Question number 3. Would a PPP loan fraud conviction affect my immigration status and or DACA status? The answer is yes. A crime of moral turpitude will affect your immigration status. It may make you inadmissible into the United States and or deportable from the United States. Question number 4. When should I contact your office? Well, the minute you find out that you're being investigated, you should contact a lawyer immediately. You can call my office. Of course, we can provide assistance in all federal courts and in California state courts. Don't wait until you get arrested or until your bank accounts have been frozen. Also, under no circumstance should you speak with any investigators or the government about your case. Only speak with your lawyer. That's it. If you enjoyed this video, I'd greatly appreciate it if you can share it. Of course, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye-bye.